What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, still looking very bullish on macro timeframes. You can see quite clearly what's been going on here. A very nice little move to the upside indeed. Well, we'd say a little move. I mean, a very extremely large move. Looking at this chart, you can see it's incredibly bullish. Obviously, we kind of had this huge run up, followed by a big correction, and now we are just chunking our way to the upside after that recovery, basically, aren't we? You can see here that we have had a very nice, kind of cup and handle formation form, something like this. And the whole time we've been moving up, we have actually come down, back tested support, come down, back tested the previous all-time high. We've come up again, and now we are back testing thoroughly this previous swing high-ish level, previous area of resistance as support again, before potentially getting that move to the upside pretty soon. Obviously, Verasity getting pretty damn oversold right now. You can see on the chart here, the last time that Verasity was in this region, we did see a bounce to the upside right here. You can see quite clearly that we had a bit of a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, RSI flattening, price action still coming down, and you can see a similar thing happening here. RSI, bullish divergence, price action trying to force its way to the downside. And what this means is potentially we probably will be looking at a move for Verasity to the upside pretty soon. As you can see right now, it is currently sitting on support of this range that we have highlighted for a long time here. You can see how well this is being respected. High, low, almost a high, back to this previous level of support at that 5.3 cent level. Back to the top of the range, back to the bottom, and now we've come back down again to the bottom of the range for a retest. But you can see quite clearly here, RSI, at extremely fair value right now, not looking oversold whatsoever. And if we do roll over, we could be looking at potentially back testing this macro trend, along with some big bullish divergences, price coming down, RSI coming up if that's the case. We do genuinely think that Verasity is due for a pump pretty soon. It's been consolidating for a good while now, and we do think that it's probably going to start, making its way back up to the upside pretty soon, considering, it's been relatively quiet for a good while now. Looking as though it has just been chopping it sideways for a good while now. You can see here, just going sideways, consolidating, back testing previous levels of support. Obviously, a lot of people saying that, there's a potential head and shoulders looking something like this with a breakdown target, saying that, 3 cents is programmed or whatever. But we don't necessarily think this is the case. We think that Verasity is probably just consolidating right now before another move to the upside. Obviously, you can see how bullish this chart is. And realistically, Verasity has really top quality fundamentals. And even if we did see a little bit of a roll here, down to around 5 cents or maybe down to around that 4.5 cent level, if we did see a considerable roll, we still think Verasity is probably just going to have a really big renaissance in these areas in terms of buying pressure. You can see there's lots of bullish divergences here. Price action coming down, histogram also coming up. That's a bullish divergence, meaning that the momentum to the downside is weakening. And we're probably going to see a pickup off the bottom of this range yet again for Verasity in our opinion. So overall, bullish on Verasity. We do think that it is a top quality project, obviously, for the longer term. Short term, looking as though we may be coming down to retest these lows again, maybe even down to this swing low at 5 cents. But realistically, we don't think Verasity is going to roll that much more, considering, how oversold it is currently. And obviously, if we move to the upside, as we always say, we are targeting the top of this range at around that 6.9 cent area. And then beyond that, as we always say, we really do think Verasity a top quality project, and you can see how much it's run in the past. The fundamentals are great and the market cap is still pretty low, so it doesn't take that much money to really start to move this crypto. And obviously, if we get another tier 1 listing on any exchanges, we'll probably see a nice little move to the upside as well. They've got lots of bullish news coming as well, according to multiple sources, some big integrations coming over the next month or two. And if that's the case, obviously we're going to see Verasity probably move into the upside pretty soon. We basically got that 127 extension of 10 cents, and then we really do think by the end of the bull run we could be seeing Verasity 50 cents to $1, maybe even more depending on just how much this crypto starts to move. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.